Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creative small bathroom design ideas can transform compact spaces into stylish and functional retreats. Opting for light colors and clever lighting choices can make a small bathroom feel more spacious and airy. Utilizing vertical space through tall cabinets or shelves maximize storage without sacrificing floor space. Ingenious storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves, hidden cabinets, or under-sink organizers help keep clutter at bay in a limited area. Mirrors strategically placed to reflect can create an illusion of openness, enhancing the overall perception of space. Floating vanities or pedestal sinks contribute to an uncultured look, making the bathroom appear larger than it is. Choosing well-functional fixtures such as combination of shower and bathtub or a compact vanity with built-in storage optimizes functionality without overcrowding the space. Bold patterns or accent tiles can add a touch of personality and style to a small bathroom, creating visual interest. Incorporating smart design elements like sliding doors or pocket doors can save space compared to traditional swing doors. Open shelving or glass partition can maintain an open feel, providing necessary separation. Small bathrooms can become heavens or creativity, offering a perfect opportunity to showcase innovative design concepts that maximize utility and aesthetics with limited square footage. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.